Hey there, so here is BOTIM app, which is called BOTIM Video Calls and Chat, this app is quite popular actually in a lot of countries, and it's in the top charts of social networking apps. So you can just do super simple, easily voice and video calls, and it's super simple, fast, secure, super easy interface. Actually, it's kind of looks like a copy of WhatsApp, to be fair. So yeah, and then just you can send voice messages, set up group calls, and all of that. And it's a free app for all these features. So let's just dive in. So here's the app. You can just create an account. To do that, just add your phone number. You will receive confirming message. Just enter the code and you are in. So that's it. Then you can also give access to your accounts who are already on this app will contacts who are on this app will appear in your contacts tab. You can add new contact by tapping here in top right. Then you can just add like first, last name, add a phone, email. That's that. You can also create group chat. So yeah, then there is specific contact. You can just tap here on the message to start messaging. You can send voice message here. You can start audio video call in top right. You can attach files in bottom left, and also add a lot of emojis and stickers and all of that. So that's about it. You can also mute specific contact. You can enable chat background. You can change sounds, clear chat, or block contact. It looks pretty similar to WhatsApp, doesn't it? So the interface, it seems like a WhatsApp. And then here you will have all your call history. You can add it, delete it. You can see all your chats. Just tap more, and then you can delete chat, clear chat, start a new chat. And then here is your account. Just go there. You can adjust your profile photo, change your name, change your status. What else? You can see your chats, settings, and there is also BOTIM desktop app, which you can enable by scanning like a QR code. And that, if you want to delete a BOTIM account, just go to account, and from here you can just tap to delete your account. Then you need to enter your phone number, and this is a way to delete your account, and it will also erase your message history. So that's about that. That's the BOTIM app. Try it out, leave your reviews. What do you think about it? Is it a nice alternative version for WhatsApp? So a lot of people are switching from WhatsApp to more secure apps like Telegram or Signal. What do you think of BOTIM? So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to receive some notifications, as sometimes I do like tech alerts, tech news. So that's about that. Thanks for watching.